12th video of the day, and I like that I'm sitting against the light, so basically my face looks all fair and lovely. I need to say all this on camera, yeah, because it's just so funny. So anyway, the next thing that I'm about to review is, brace yourself, it is Chaat Masala. Now, don't ask me why I'm doing such stupid things, but seriously, yeah, people, among the many masala brands in the market, Chaat Masala stands apart because it's so catchy. I mean, no, it's like, seriously, yeah, it's good. Cooking is like one of my top three favorite passions. The other two being meditation and reading. So yeah, it's all very tame passions. Passion, the word is like actually very. No, anyway. So chaat masala is good. See this, and it's within the masala industry there are these different sort of brands, but I think this is it something that stands the test of time, something that you should adopt. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.